Hello viewers, how are you all? Hope you people are pretty fine and good. God bless you, always be happy in your life. So dear viewers, today you will see in this video haircuts designs, new attractive girls pop haircuts, long layers and short layers, stylish haircuts with bang haircuts designs. If you like my videos, so viewers, please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media account. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. I have uploaded new stylish different bob haircuts, pixie haircuts, pixie bob haircuts, shaggy bob haircuts, different modern hair colors, haircuts and hairstyles ideas. So viewers, please visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos. So viewers, I have uploaded new attractive plus size women's hair. So viewers, you will see in these videos different haircuts designs. I hope you like my videos, friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. You will see new attractive different haircuts designs. So viewers, please visit my YouTube channel. Check the playlist videos and get amazing ideas of new all modern haircuts designs. If you like my videos, so viewers, please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media account. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. I have uploaded new attractive different haircuts designs. I have uploaded new stylish plus size women's haircuts designs. You will find hundreds of new designs, hundreds of new ideas daily on my channel. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Modern and stylish, you will see in these videos haircuts designs. I hope you like my videos, friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. I will make a similar videos and present it in front of you. You watch new attractive different girls haircuts. So viewers, I always try to bring new stylish haircuts. So take care.